Then, okay, so I don't know how much you make, but I'm going to guess you make a significant amount more than I do. I'm going to suggest, because you can make a living. I'm a university student. I'm working part-time. Right. I don't pay as much taxes as you do in any metric because our tax system is gradual, right? So how are you going to argue that immigrants, because they're not paying as much taxes as the American citizens, shouldn't be able to do the services when other American citizens don't pay as much taxes as you? We could also argue that billionaires also pay no taxes at all, yet we all pay a bunch of taxes.
Right, and so I'm with you on that. Yeah. I'm totally with you on that. The way that corporations are able to lobby the government to get tax breaks and things like that is criminal, and it shouldn't be happening. Where Amazon comes in and pays zero taxes on something, I think that's completely wrong. There are people at the top who are taking advantage of us, but that is different than the illegal immigrant question. And
I don't think it is.
Because you also have the burden on the American taxpayer itself. Because think about all the illegal immigrants who are going to someplace like jail, like illegal immigrants in jail, or illegal immigrants who are going to the ER or something like that, or going to schools and overloading the school system. Those are taxes that American citizens are having to pay to then work for these types of people.
So one, jails are privately owned, not publicly owned, which means that they have contractual minimum amounts of prisoners in the place. Which means if you want to argue that taxpayer dollars are being wasted, we need to argue against the privatization of the prison system.
There's a lot of truth with that too.
Yeah,
but Americans are paying taxes for prisons.
We are paying taxes to do it, but because the prison system is privatized.
In California, we're paying billions of dollars in taxes for prisons.
Well, actually, also in Texas.
Yeah,
I mean,
every
state has that.
Yeah.
And then for the ER, most states actually have laws forbidding that from being used. Taxpayer money from being used to fund ER services for immigrants.